guys! Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. I was about to film my Easter Bunny balloon project when I noticed some of these balloons. They are kind of wet. As you can see, they look dampened and kind of look like being glued together. So I have come up with an idea on fixing this with the use of, yes, a baby powder. Balloons have a thin layer of powder which prevents them from sticking, but if it gets exposed to heat or moisture, then it becomes soggy. And if that happens, it will cause a balloon friction, making your balloon pop easily. And doing your balloon project will take up so much time. For this project, I'm using baby powder, but you can also use cornstarch or flour, whichever works for you. Pour it, use it, spread it until the powder absorbs moisture and the balloons become dry. So I'm done with this first layer, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the balloons. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching.